Bubu and Lulu. Hello everyone. Today we're going to meet different shapes. Let's welcome them one by one. Circle. Round and round I love to go. With no sharp corners, smooth I flow. Like a pizza, like the sun, rolling in circles is so much fun. Square. 4 sides, all the same. That's my square-shaped claim to fame. A window, a gift box. Oh, what fun. I always fit with everyone. Amazing. Can you see something square around you? Rectangle. Rectangle, like a square, but 2 sides are longer, like a door or a book. Like a door or a book, you see, I have 4 sides, but 2 aren't free. 2 are short, 2 are long. That's my shape. I'm big and strong. Triangle. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Sides I show, like a mountain. Tall I grow. A slice of pizza. Oval. I'm like a circle, but stretched out wide. Like an egg, I slip and slide. A football, a mirror, oh, can't you see? Oval shapes are fun, like me. Ovals are great. Can you find an oval shape? Pentagon, 5 sides. 5 sides, that's what I got. A home plate shape I like a lot. A pentagon stands big and tall, just like buildings, strong for all. Pentagons have 5 sides. Can you count them? Hexagon, 6 sides. Buzz, buzz, I'm a honeybee's dream. With 6 sides, I'm part of their team. A beehive, a nut, or even a tile. Hexagons make me smile. Can you think of something shaped like a hexagon? Heptagon, 7 sides. 7 sides, that's quite a sight. I may be rare, but I shine bright. A stop sign's cousin, strong and cool. Look around, I follow no rule. 7 sides, that's tricky, but heptagons are fun to find. Octagon, 8 sides. 8 sides, count them all. I help stop cars, big and small. A stop sign, a clock, a shape so neat. With 8 sides, I can't be beat. Octagons help keep us safe. Can you count to 8? Nonagon, 9 sides. 9 sides, I have, it's true. A fancy shape, just for you. I'm quite rare, but now you know, nonagons put on quite a show. 9 sides? That's a lot. Can you try to draw a nonagon? Decagon, 10 sides. 10 sides, wow, that's a bunch. Like a star or a game you crunch. Count them all, don't be shy. Decagons are fun to spy. Wow, 10 sides. Can you count to 10 with me? Parallelogram. Slanted sides, oh, what a sight. I'm like a rectangle, but tilted right. A leaning window, a shape so fun. A parallelogram, I'm never done. Parallelograms look like rectangles that lean. Can you tilt your body like one? Trapezoid. 2 sides short, 2 sides long. I make bridges so big and strong. A lampshade, a roof so neat. I'm a trapezoid, oh so sweet. Can you find a trapezoid? Maybe a bag or a bridge? Rhombus. Like a square but slanted too. All 4 sides, the same, it's true. A kite, a diamond, that's my way. Find a rhombus, let's go play. Wow, kids, we had so much fun today learning about shapes. Great job, shape explorers. Keep looking for shapes every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.